Hello, and I'm ready to share with you another really easy DIY that can be a gift or a gift to yourself, and a perfect one for Valentine's Day. So it is Heart Scent Body Wash. So I love Young Living because I know I can buy all my products there that are all natural, toxin-free, and it's just like a one-stop shop, and they're good quality. So I like to get the bath and shower gel that is just the gel base, and use this to make my own body wash. And I like to kind of do it like the body wash according to the season or the holiday or my mood. So recently I had Believe body wash because it's woodsy and kind of like the around Christmas and winter time. But now I'm all out, and so I'm ready to make a Valentine's scent one. So I call this Heart Scent. And so what I'm using is Sensation Essential Oil Blend and Tangerine. I'm gonna do 4 of each. Okay, and this is my base. Now you could, it's nice and thick and it's a gel base. You could just put your oils right in here and make a whole batch, or you know, make it smaller. But I got the foaming pump in plastic, good quality plastic please, for my shower, and that it kind of stretches it a little bit more. So I hope I have enough here because I have a new one. I just got in my order yesterday. I put about 3 tablespoons, and this is an 8-ounce foaming dispenser. I think I'm gonna run out. I'll show you how to do it, and then I'll add more of this. That's 2. Oh, actually, it's exactly 3. Okay, we're good. And this will last quite a while if you do it this way. I I also make my own handmade DIY hand soaps, and you can also use this as well. And I used to always also use Castile soap, but it kind of like separates, and I like how this is all kind of one good base, so I think it's better. All right, so now I have my soap. Now I'm gonna put in my oils, and then I put in distilled water. So 4 drops of each. Do you see how easy this is? 1, 2, 4. Now, Sensation is a great oil to get you in the mood, so that's why this could be good for women. But it's just so sweet. So let me tell you what's in here, and I'm almost out. This is coriander, ylang ylang, of course, bergamot, and jasmine. Oh, and geranium. See, all the lovely good oils. That's why it smells so good. And I'm going to put tangerine because I love citrusy orange. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Has a nice color now. And then I just add distilled water. Now, this is for me, but if you're going to, and I'm just going to put it in my shower, but if you're going to give this as a gift, you could get a prettier container, easy to find on Amazon or Target or something. Okay, there we go. And maybe put a bow or a fancier label. You can just, you know, add it up, and nice cute packaging. I can imagine like a clear bag or Valentine bag and a bow. So there you go. And it's ready to go. I'm gonna enjoy taking a shower tomorrow with my Heart Scent.